Hello everyone, welcome to Rajma Tech Kamal. Today we are going to discuss about and we will see how we can do the sentiment analysis on text and image data using Llama 3.2 Multimodal. Okay, and before starting this video, I would say this video is specially made for one of my subscriber, that is Ismail Fagir, was requested long a few days back asking how we can use the LLM multimodal to fine tune for sentiment analysis on text, image, and video, and so on. Okay, so this video is specially made for you, Smile Fagir. So I hope you will enjoy this video and who all need to do the sentiment analysis using the Llama 3.2 model. We are going to discuss in depth and also see the demo of how we can do the coding for finding the sentiment on any text and any image data. Okay, pay attention to this video, and before that, if you're watching my channel first time, please do subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's discuss about Llama 3.2, how we can use for finding the sentiment on text and image data. First, we have to import a few libraries, and if you are not having that installed in your local machine, please install that. I have listed here what are the libraries that required for use this model and also do the sentiment on text and image data. Okay, so I would request you to first install the required required Python libraries and the model library for this one. So how you can install that is just run this command. Here I have provided pip install the packages. Okay, you just uncommand and run what are the packages that you want. Here I have few already in my system, so I have installed only the required that not I have installed previously. Okay, so and then first we have to generate the API key to use Llama 3.2 model. So for that one, just copy this link and open here. Okay, so here I have already signed up. It will ask you to sign up. Once you sign up, you will get the dashboard. Okay, this is the dashboard. So here you can copy the API key to use the model here because they have provided $5 free credit. So we can use it until it will the free credit. Okay, and let me quickly, I have generated the API key and I have pasted that in my text file, and I have read that one using open API key dot txt and reader function. I have read that API key, and here we have to import some libraries to use to run this code. So I request you to import these libraries, and I will provide you also the disk I mean the jupyter file. Post this video in the GitHub repo, and you can directly download there and just install the required necessary requirements.txt. Okay, and the pip install. After that, you just run, it will work. And main importantly, you need to generate the API key using your Gmail account. Okay, please do that. Here I have generated using my key, my email ID. We have a free credit of using that model. We can use it. Okay, and then here I have created a function. This function will be calling that model. Here we can describe a model. Default it will take the 11b model, vision instruct turbo model, and here we can pass it the other model also 90b model. So this is just a function. And message, it will, we are sending that the input text along with the prompt instruction, whatever the output we want from the model, that we can pass it to here. And here some parameters, that default parameters there, how many tokens you want, and temperature. The temperature minimum zero point 0.0 means it will not give you the generative, I mean the creativity of the text. It will describe whatever we are giving on text data or any image data. It will give the accurate results if you are setting the temperature at zero point 0. Okay, and the message and the model will be the model name that we are calling the Llama 3.2 model, and size we can pass it when we are calling the function. And then the input image data, I mean the messages we can pass image or text data. I will show you how we can pass that data. And headers, here we have to pass the API key that I said, right? Here we are going to generate the API key, and then we have to pass it here, authorization. Okay, after that it will return the output, message and content that was generated using Llama 3.2 model. Okay, so here I have taken an example of simple text, and I asked LLM model to describe, find the sentiment of the given sentence. So here I have given a text like Elon Musk, robot taxi and robo van is stunning the entire industry. This is so, new innovatives that Elon Musk recently release the demo video for robot text, how it will be. Okay, so I just given a text and asking the model llama 2 model to find the sentiment of the sentence. So I have paused this message here and I pausing the calling the llama 90b model. Okay, so using that, it's saying the sentence a very positive sentence and the sentiment is extremely positive. This is the sentiment that model predicted using Llama 3.2 model. Okay, and also it given the sentimental analysis of why it is positive. And the about this sentence, it describing more information, giving how it is. Okay, and let's talk about the image data. How we can pass the image data to model to find the sentiment of a given image. Let me quickly show you the image first. This is the image that I took from Twitter comments. It's also a llama. Okay, using llama model, we are going to find the sentiment of the image. Okay, so take this image. It's saying that I love the interior design and its smartness. Tesla is already in the future, bro. Okay, and it describing about the Elon Musk recent demo release of robo van and robo taxi. Okay, we are going to find the sentiment of the given text from the post command to ask model to find the sentiment. Okay, so first we have to pause the model and we need to image directly image data model can't understand, so we have to encode the image data. So for encoding that, to convert the image into a a encoder format, we are using base 64 package that will convert that image to encode to image. Okay, here I'm just passing my image data and I have converted that image to a encoder format. This is the encoder format of that particular image that I have imported. Okay, and then I'm passing that image here. This is the message that we are going to pass it to the llama 3.2 model and also the model size. And here I have passed the image URL. You can give this format type image URL. In the image URL section, you can pass the that encoder image data and ask. Here I'm giving the prompt instruction saying describe the sentiment of the image text. Okay, from that image text, it will find the sentiment. And here I have paused and asking that the sentiment. Its model is saying the sentiment of the image text is positive because it's saying they are love it. Okay, the interior design of the robo taxi, they love it and smartness. So it is positive, right? And yeah, the text saying that positive. And also it describe about the design and the text, the more information about the analysis why it is positive, they giving information about the model. Okay, how model understands the image and providing the output. So similarly, if you want to find a sentiment of any other images, what you have to do is you just save it as an image or any image. You can just import it here and then pass it to here. Just replace here with your image and find the sentiment using the llama 3.290b multimodal. Okay, it will find you the sentiment of the image. And also for video, what you have to do is just read the video data and uh, convert that into encoder format and find that sentiment of the given video data. Okay, and this is the video demo that we discussed in today. And I would also like to introduce, this is one of the free course that was introduced by deeplearning.ai. It will be very useful. This is very you can utilize enroll for free. They have provided the introducing more detail about multimodal Llama 3.2. When you click here, it will directly go to there and it will give you introduction overview multimodal, how we can use the prompting and variety of use cases they have tried, and prompt format, how we can utilize the tokenization tool calling function and the Llama stack conclusion. There are a lot of things they have discussed. This is free video. You can just enroll it and watch it here. Smile Ismail Fagir, it will be very useful for you to do more analysis using Llama 3.2 multimodal for your sentiment analysis. Okay, I hope you enjoy this video and I will provide you the the link course, the enroll free course link, and also the notebook that I have tried here in my GitHub. I will upload and then provide you that in the comment session, and you can watch it. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you like this video, please share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.